And now moving to the artificial intelligence company that may soon make history. According to a latest Reuters report, the creator of ChatGPT is preparing for an initial public offering that could value the company at a staggering $1 trillion, a number that would instantly make it one of the biggest IPOs ever seen. Now, according to the report, OpenAI plans to file for an IPO with securities regulators by the second half of 2026, with a possible public listing in 2027. Early talk suggests that the company could raise around $60 billion or more, depending on how market conditions and businesses perform. The figures are still in flux, but what's clear is that this would mark a new era in how artificial intelligence companies tap global capital markets. A public listing would give the company access to much larger capital pools, helping it scale infrastructure and research at a faster pace. And for context, only one company in history, Saudi Aramco, has gone public with a valuation above $1 trillion. Now, OpenAI began in 2015 as a nonprofit founded with the goal of ensuring that artificial intelligence benefits humanity. And over the years, it evolved into a hybrid structure with a nonprofit entity overseeing a for-profit arm. And just this week, the structure was updated once again, the nonprofit, now called the OpenAI Foundation, owning 26% of the for-profit group. The nonprofit arm now even has the right to increase its stake if certain milestones are met. The reorganization also formalized Microsoft's role as a major shareholder, holding around 27% after investing $13 billion.
As we step into this next chapter of our partnership, both companies are better positioned than ever to continue building great products that meet real-world needs and create new opportunity for everyone and every business.
The structuring not only clarified ownership, but also reduced OpenAI's dependence on Microsoft, potentially paving the way for an independent public listing. The company's CEO, Sam Altman, recently said in a live stream that an IPO was the most likely path for OpenAI.
I think it's fair to say that an IPO is the most likely path for us, given the capital needs that we will have.
Now, financially, OpenAI has been expanding at an unprecedented pace. In the first half of 2025 alone, OpenAI reported $4.3 billion in revenue, but a loss of $7.8 billion. The company's annualized revenue is projected to reach $20 billion by the end of the year, even as operating losses continue to pile up. The CEO has said the company will need trillions of dollars in investment to build the computing infrastructure that advanced AI will need and will require. The latest report comes at a time when artificial intelligence is dominating financial markets. For example, just this week, NVIDIA became the first company to hit a $5 trillion valuation, cementing its place as the engine of the AI revolution. And so if OpenAI does go public at a $1 trillion valuation, it won't just be an IPO. It'll be a defining moment in the story of artificial intelligence, making the shift from innovation to industrial scale. And in the coming months, investors and policymakers alike will be watching how the company balances growth, transparency, and its long-stated mission of developing AI responsibly. And what happens next could set the template for how the world's leading AI firms operate in the public markets.
Want the facts?
The latest developments?
News that gets straight to the point.
Well, we've got all three just for you. This is Firstpost Live, a brand new show, your window into what really matters.
Don't miss it.